So we got this situation to handle. Let f be a function such that f of x plus 3 times f of 24 by x is equal to 4x. X not equal to 0, then the value of f3 plus f8. So if you don't mind, you know that first you have to find out f3 and then you have to find out f8. So what we should do? Just directly replace x with 8 and that's it. So if you'll replace, the first value is 3, so I'll go with 3. So I will replace x with 3. So we got f of 3 plus 3 times f of 24 by 3. So we got f8. Now 4 3s are 12. Done. Now in second case you need to calculate who is f8. So can we replace x with 8? So we will get f of 8 plus 3 times 24 by 8. We will get 3. Done. So we got 32. Now if you will observe, these guys have asked you the sum of f3 and f8. So can we add both the equations? And look at this, what will happen. Wait, here is f8. F8, here is f3. Okay, so we will add equation A and equation B and look at this, what we will get. We will get 4 times f3 plus 4 times f8 equals 44. Now we can divide both sides by 4. We will be getting f3 plus f8 equals 11. Therefore the required value is 11. I hope you guys got the idea. You guys understand how we will approach these kind of situations and you guys can handle accordingly. Okay,